Good morning guys. Meron na naman tayong gagawin ngayon. So, meron tayong problema sa aming lithotripsy. So, lithotripsy machine. Ito, asa dalim one. So, nireklamo ng doktor guys, nagdo-double firing siya. So, usually ito yung mga problema ng lithotripsy pag mahina na yung ating shockwave coil or the vibration plate or the shockwave generator. So tatlong option mo doon dito guys kung ano yung mga dapat mong palitan. So una guys, check ko muna yung ano niya reklamo ng doktor. Kasi para ma-verify natin. So shockwave level 1 auto, try nating mag start. So ayan, tingnan natin yung quality ng firing. So naka level 1 guys ako. So titingnan ko kung meron akong bagong coil, meron din akong bagong vibration plate. So, titingnan ko muna yung nireklamo ng doktor. Nagmi-misfire daw kasi guys. So, ayan, nagmi-misfire nga. Kasi, ayan, ito yung problema ay nagmi-misfire nga. So, either yung shockwave coil niya or yung shockwave generator guys ang problema niya. So, ititingnan ko muna kung nakailang counter na siya. So, ayun o. Nagmi-misfire. Level 1 pa lang yan guys, nagmi-misfire na. How about ipili level 3, level 4 muna. So, lalong magmi-misfire yan. Yan. Yan, misfire na naman siya. So, tingnan ko muna guys kung kailan ko siya pinalitan ng coil. Yung shockwave coil. So, bubuksan ko to. I-open ko tong ano niya. So, titingnan ko yung shockwave coil at saka yung vibration plate kung okay pa ba. So, titingnan ko dito sa unit guys, sa computer. So, dito pag label to kung anong nangyayari. So, lumalakas yung kanyang firing. Pero yung nagmi-misfiring pa rin siya. So naka-label to ako. Ayan, may misfire na naman siya. So kailangan nating magpalit ng shockwave generator or shockwave coil. Ayan, misfire na naman. So madalas yung misfire niya guys. So yung x-ray naman niya, katitingnan ko kung okay ba. Yung x-ray on. So, try nating mag-x-ray, expose. Okay naman yung x-ray niya. So, okay yung x-ray. So, malinaw yung x-ray niya. So, wala tayong problema sa x-ray. So, ang problema lang talaga natin is yung misfire. So, stop na natin. Stop. Shockwave off. Exit muna tayo dito guys. Titingnan natin kung ilang counts na simula nung pinalitan ko ng coil. So yes. So makikita ko yan dito guys kung ilang count na simula ako nagpalit ng coil. So yung shockwave coil pala guys is 1 million shock. 1 million shock yan guys. So ang vibration plate is nasa 300,000 lang ang maximum niya na shock. Yung coil natin guys, yung generator natin, so nasa 1,500,000 ang maximum life niya guys ng shockwave generator. So titingnan natin. So Alt L. So tingnan natin yung counter niya. Yung counter niya guys is simula nung pinalitan ko ng coil is 260,000 lang guys. Abdul Bari. Abdul Bari. Abdul Bari. Then save. So masisave ko na yan. So as of now guys, so ito nga pala guys, product na to, itong manufacturer is 2009. So ayun o, 2009. 2009. Oh, isasend ko na lang sa'yo, sir. Kung ano yung department ang uunahin namin.
Gusto niya kasing pasimulan ngayon sa dialysis kasi kailangan daw sa kibali na dialysis.
Dialysis?
Oo, pwede daw masimulan today.
No, sige sir, wala namang problema.
Okay.
So, product niya 2009. So, as of now, ilang milyon na tayo. Saan yung counter ng limit niya? Today, as of today is 2,180,104 yung counter niya. So, ayan guys. Ayan. 2 million. So, ayan. As of today, 2 million. As of today, 2,100,000. So, maximum limit na tayo dyan sa, ano guys, maximum limit na sa shockwave coil natin. So, kailangan nating magpalit ng shockwave coil. So, i-close ko na yan dito. Exit. So, papalit tayo ng shockwave coil. Shockwave generator pala guys, sorry, shockwave generator. So yung coil okay pa siya. So last na replace namin is 2021. So okay pa yung coil. Pero yung shockwave generator guys is more than 2 million na. So since na binili namin to guys, hindi pa kami nagpalit ng generator. So kailangan na tayong magpalit. Meron akong spare. So magpapalit ako. So and guys, before we proceed to replace this generator, shockwave generator guys, ito yung shockwave generator ko. So we will check first the coil, this coil and the vibration plate guys. Check muna natin guys para.
Sir, good afternoon.
Yes, good afternoon.
With the water, we don't have water. It's not available long time.
No available. See.
There is another solution.
Okay, no problem. Just request that by, because we need to replace also the water. Because water also is very dirty. So remove muna natin yung water. So remove muna natin yung water dito guys. This one, water out. So we need to So yun guys, tingnan muna natin yung coil niya. Tingnan muna natin yung kanyang coil. Kung okay pa ba yung coil niya. Kasi bago tayo magpalit ng generator, kailangan ma-check muna natin yung coil. Saka vibration peak. So, napaka-importante muna natin check yung shockwave coil. Yung pinaka-coil niya. So, ito nga pala guys, bago kayo mag-open nito, kailangan mo tanggalin mo muna yung tubig para hindi kayo magbaha. Tsaka safe. Tsaka naka-turn off yung pinaka-main power. Kasi high voltage kasi dito guys eh. So, i-lift up mo yung taas kasi nandito tayong tubig. So, wala na tubig guys. So, yan. So, wala na siyang tubig. So, hindi na you will not remove the itong ano, hindi ko natin kailangan tanggalin to kasi okay pa naman to. Ano niya? Yung centering. So dito guys, tatanggalin natin yung allen key na medyo malaki. Kailangan ko medyo malaki. Okay, go to the other side. So we need big. So ito nga pala guys yung acoustic lens ko, bago pa tong palit eh. So hindi ko pa to papalitan. So yung vibration plate lang titingnan ko at saka yung pinaka magnetic coil, ay yung coil nya. Pinakuha ko lang ng allen key yung kasama ko kasi malaki pala. So yung caution ko pala guys, medyo bago pa din, makapal pa. So hindi pa naman sa butas. So pwede pa yan guys, dilinisin lang yung mga gilid-gilid niyan sa mga gel. So okay na yan. So yun guys, ito yung papalitan ko guys. Itong generator na to. So guys, since na binili itong makina na to guys 2009. So hindi ko pa to napalitan ng shockwave generator. Yung sa Jubel at saka yung Damam napalitan ko na yon. Pero yung sa amin dito mismo sa area ko sa Eastern Province ng Hupok, hindi ko pa napalitan guys. Kailangan ko nang palitan kasi sa sobrang tagal na rin kasi. So after na-receive namin to 2009, so until now 2023 na or 2023 na. So napakatagal na guys. So more than 13 years. More than 13 years na to guys. Pero yung accuracy nito guys, napakaganda pa rin. So yung pagbasag ng stone, so accurate pa rin siya, nakakabasag pa rin siya ng stone kahit more than 2 million na yung shockwave shock niya guys, yung shock count. Kasi ang generator guys, shockwave generator dapat nasa 1,500, 1 million, 1.5 million shock lang yan guys. Pero umabot na sa ng 2 million. So okay pa rin siya. Kasi pag yung sikreto kasi niyan guys, pag yung makina mo napi-PM mo ng maayos, every 6 months ang PM niya. So pini-PM ng maayos. Parang bagong-bago pa guys. Parang bagong-bago pa siya. So, maganda pa yung ano niya. Oh, 20. Comid Korean. So, okay pa rin. Okay din siya. So, bawing-bawi na to guys. Lakas na kumita ng pera nito eh. So, naiingatan yung equipment mo, tumatagal talaga. So, yun ang sikreto dito. At saka dapat kung may in-house biomid ka, yun ang gumagawa ang in-house biomid. So, naaalagaan nila yung makina. So pag mga ano kasi guys, pag company, contract sa company, pupunta lang yung company pag may sira yung makina. So yun ang problema pag outside yung gumagawa ng makina. Pero dito, kami lang yung gumagawa, in-house biomid kami. So naaalagaan yung makina guys. Malinis na malinis pa guys, oh. Parang bago pa. So luma pa tong sa amin kaysa Jubail. Tsaka yung sa Damam na out na ganito. So ito yung pinakaunang lithotripsy dito na Comid. Bali tatlo to guys, tatlo tong ganito namin sa lahat ng branch namin meron kaming tatlo. Cobar, Damam, Jubail. So yung Hupop, Jubail at saka yung Cobar, Damam. So yung Cobar guys, iba yung lithotripsy, Dornier yung lithotripsy na doon. Dornier yung brand. Pero sa amin Comid, Korea. So okay naman guys. Madali lang siya i-maintain. On already?
By this bucket,
Huh?
I will go to lab, bring bucket, no problem.
No problem. Distilled water they have there. Ask this laboratory.
Distilled water.
Distilled water.
Distilled water.
Yeah, distilled water. Distilled water.
Distilled.
No, boy, no. Should be distilled water, boy. Oh. Shit. No, still okay. See? Still okay, our. Come here. See? Last time I remember I changed this one. See? Even the split is still okay. So, still no problem. I will return this one. So I will not use the new one. So this is our last that is our last coil. I don't know if still we can request the coil because this one I think discontinued already the manufacturing. We will see. Still okay this one. problem. We just replace the. I will replace the new. This one. We'll replace this one. We have see, yeah, this one is new.
New will change.
Yeah.
So we just need this one here. The miss.
Ada? What's the one? Hello? No, not answering you. Give me this one. Mobile. Hello? Yes, good afternoon. Beside. So, okay naman siya. So, ibabalik ko na. Tatayit ko lang. Ayan. So, make sure lang guys na pag tinatight mo to, maiipit yung rubber. Kasi yung rubber yan yung sealed ng water. So, para hindi maglilik yung water, may rubber siya. Saka para hindi rin maglilik yung ano niya, yung kanyang coil, hindi malalagyan ng tubig. Yeah. Now it's okay. They return the connection. Uy. So this is the connection already connected. So okay, limit that one, finish. So we need to remove this generator. So first we will remove the X-ray generator. So we cannot replace this generator, shockwave generator, if this X-ray generator will not move. So just remove this one. Okay, move. Oh, yes. Okay. Okay guys. So, yeah. So ito ang shockwave generator. So kita mo naman guys, malinis pa. Basta malinis yung unit. So hindi siya nanggigitata. Alagang-alaga. So ako, napaka-alaga nitong makina ko na to guys. Ako yung wala yung nag-maintain nito. So talagang malinis. So yan guys, hilain natin tong this one. I will remove this. So we need to remove this stopper. Okay. So we can heavy. Okay. So you can move now. So it's easy to remove, to change. So ito guys, ito nga pala guys, napaka ingatan nyo lang to. Kasi nga ito may langis. Tatapon yung langis na yan to guys, ano? Naglilik na yung langis na guys. Oh. So tanggalin natin yung mga connection. So importante guys, para hindi ka mawala sa connection na picturean mo lang siya. So kahit lagi ka na nagpapalit nito guys, pero kung matagal na rin, nakakalimutan mo. So kailangan lang natin ng picture. So para hindi natin makalimutan yung connection. So magpag-verify mamaya. Ito guys, ito yung pinaka grounding nya. So make sure lang guys, pag nagtanggal kayo ng ganito, naka off yung breaker. So turn off yung breaker para wala kang delikadong shock. Ito pala guys, requirement to ng earth ground. So ito yung pinaka earth ground namin na nakakabit. Ito connected doon sa basement ng hospital guys. Meron kaming binaon doon na rod, copy rod, para dito sa grounding na to. So napaka-importante yung grounding na to guys. Ngayon, tanggalin natin to. So connection nya. So meron pa tayong connecting. So ito 3.8, kailangan ko ng 10. $7.16 big. Here's the 10. Bakit? Why? So, too much oil. So yun guys, maraming langis. So tumatadas na yung kanyang langis. So tanggalin natin yung kanyang filter. Pwede kang magpalit ng generator ng yung loob lang. So kung medyo walang budget, pwede kang magpalit ng spark gap lang sa loob nito guys. Pero kung sa amin kasi guys, hindi kami nagpapalit ng spark gap lang sa loob. Pero kung walang budget guys, pwede mo palitan ng spark gap. Yung spark gap lang sa loob kasi ang nasisira nito eh. So pwede mo, meron ding available na mare-request. So pwede ka rin magpalit. Kaya lang medyo matrabaho kasi bubuksan mo to guys, tatanggalin mo yung langis. Tatanggalin mo yung langis kasi yung spark gap na yun guys nakalubog sa langis. So papalitan mo yung spark gap niya, matrabaho. So kaya ang ni-request ko buong generator na. So wala namang problema kung buong generator, at least hindi ka na magpapagod na kabit ka na lang. So matagal din naman to guys, 10 years din to bago, more than 10 years din to bago papalitan. Yeah. Oh, now it's damaged. So it's oil. It's almost damaged. So yeah. Remove. It's already removed. Too much heavy. So keep it like this or what? No need, just hold.
On like that.
Okay.
Lock that.
But we need to make it like this way, because there is a wire. Up. Yep. Yeah. Bas. Careful.
Okay.
Leave it like this. Oh. Like one. So, more. Ayo. Shit. No, it's okay. So guys, ito na yung bago. Ito na yung na-install natin na bago. So kailangan natin guys na walang langis-langis. So napaka-importante nito guys, yung langis, huwag magtulo-tulo yung langis. So kanto natin yung mga connection. So kailangan natin yung connection nito is okay pa guys. So ayan guys. Okay. Yun. Hello? Yes po, ma'am. Wait lang po, ma'am. Busy pa po. Busy pa po ako, ma'am. Just wait po. Nagdito po ako, nagkakabit pa ako ng makina sa kabilang side sa endoscopy. Mamaya po tatapos ko sa inyo. Magtatapos ako. Okay. Okay. Sige. Ay. Dapat ito muna. Pinawas yan. Mamaya biglang ayan guys, so yan, komportable na ako dyan, hindi na matatanggal yan. See, yung lock, it's lock already. Wait. Okay, so kailangan hindi, pwede nga hindi natin ibalik tong stopper, so para ano lang, babalik pa rin natin para secure. Pero hindi naman gagalaw yan guys, naka-lock na yan sa loob. So, ayan. So hindi nagagalaw yan, naka-stopper naman. Oh shit. Check the cable there. It's okay? Cable's okay?
Okay.
So, ayan guys, ito yung high tension cable ng X-ray. So, kailangan maayos din yan. So, yan. Okay. So, yan guys. So, ang stopper nito. It's okay. Wala, finish. Just leave it open. So after we will check the start. So ibalik lang natin to guys, yung ano natin, below, yung pinaka-ano na portion. Tayong 6 na screw. So how many times you already know with us fixing this one? So you can fix alone next time?
Inshallah.
Why inshallah? You can fix this one alone. I will go.
So, I will also try in Singapore.
Huh?
Singapore.
You want also to go Singapore?
Mm.
Singapore is
Near good monthly salary.
Singapore. Biomed also there?
Yeah, hospital.
Hospital also? Good. For me, no chance. I'm very old.
I will come Philippines, no problem. To start business, I will come. For water?
For me, I'm stuck with this country. Alas. Water in. So and guys, pagkatapos natin palitan ng generator, so dito naman tayo sa water. So nilinis yung water, lalagyan ng tubig. So kailangan pala dito guys, tubig nito distilled water, hindi yung basta-basta tap water or RO water. So recommended ng company is distilled water guys. So ayan, distilled water yung nilagay namin dyan. Kailangan medyo kulang pa, so kailangan ko pa ng mga 3 liters. Actually guys, ito kailangan ito is 6 liters. 6 to 7 liters guys. 1 is enough. 1 is enough.
Same.
Okay, water ulit. So dapat guys, ilagay mong iganyan para hindi siya magkakaroon ng bubbles yung water. So ito napaka-importante guys. Kailangan mo siyang pag nag-refill ka ng water guys, kailangan walang bubbles. Kasi pag may bubbles guys, hindi yan maganda, hindi yan makakapasag ng bato. So napaka-importante guys ang walang bubbles sa lithotripsy. So stop. Okay. Close. So ayun guys, no bubbles. Mayroong kahit konti pero acceptable na yun guys. So
What does that mean?
no,
What was the fault?
this one is old and change, and I will change also the trigger board. Need also change the trigger board.
No, why you are going to change? What is the fault?
Double firing.
Double firing.
Yes, it was doubled firing, so we need to replace the.
Hey guys, we are going to change the trigger board.
So if you will change the generator, shockwave generator, you should also change this trigger board. Okay.
This is
So
generator.
yeah, this is shockwave. This is X-ray. Shockwave generator, X-ray generator, trigger board. So this is the one who triggered the pulse. So if I will go exit, you will fix this one, Rahim bhai. Rahim and
No problem.
Rahim and Japer. So yes.
If the same happens,
Why?
the same problem.
Why? This one is very easy. I will change first the trigger board. There are only 3 wires. It's the old one. Kalas.
Wow, what a gear! It's metal. Plastic.
No. This one already I changed also this one. This one. This one broke before.
This means it's not pure metal.
Yeah, this one
Aluminum or what?
not aluminum, this one. This one metal, but before it was bent because the alignment is not good. I replaced already that one. Only three screw. No problem. 3 screw enough.
Then you will be test.
Test. No, I will change this one. Okay. Kalas. No need push. No need start. This one.
And see.
Frenzy. There is sound, no? But why there is a problem.
Generator.
See. So and guys, after changing, no more changing. So I will try to fire 500 shots. They're changing the trigger board. See? Yeah. Click level 3. Did you hear the sound? Is the difference between the 3 and the 2? Come here. Hold.
You
Why?
not level 3.
Hold. Ishada. How can you check if this one is working or not? Come. So guys, no more double firing. See, it's continuous now. I will try to fire 500 shots. So if there is still this one is delayed. So I think no more delayed now. How many shots now?
178.
170, 167, 169, 170. So level 3.
That's good. Go and touch that.
That's that one, Rahim bhai. That's
What do you call this machine name? Or
lithotripsy. Shockwave lithotripsy. So yan guys, okay na siya. No more delayed. No more escape. No more escape. So it's okay. Check generator. Shockwave generator. So we change shockwave generator. Now it's okay. Okay?
We installed the new shockwave generator and X-ray generator is down.
So ayun guys, 523 shocks, still no escaping now. It's okay. No more escape. No more escaping fire. See? Now it's okay. 530. That's it. We'll stop. Shockwave bolt. Finish.